Where do I begin? I guess I really start right here. I got a cough. Excuse me. I'm not chopping this video up. I'm not editing anything. Or I can get comfortable. I don't eat normal. I know this. I got a cough again. What happened to your money? Lights on, and we're back. I got a cough again. So YouTube didn't destroy Daym Drops as a brand because the name still rings bells outside of YouTube. My whole entire shtick has become stale. It has died out. Too much energy over the food reviews. Too much energy over that burger. Over that chicken sandwich. Over them tacos. I don't conform to nobody's system. I won't do that. Do you, boo-boo? Do you, boo-boo? As a lot of creators know, you won't end up at too many YouTube events. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen unless they see something about you and your channel that's beneficial. It won't happen. And the event could be in your backyard. You could be 5 minutes away.
5 all day.
And they won't reach out to you and bring you through. It won't happen. But they'll take somebody halfway cross country and bring them to the event that's in your backyard.
That nigga salty as fuck.
And then want to run up inside your refrigerator and get them something to drink from your refrigerator and still not bring you out there and invite you. And then you get to read about it all online. YouTube head event, blah, blah, blah. Top creators, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Whatever. It is. But that's the company. That's how the company works. You know what I'm saying? It's. You could be 5 minutes away. Don't let this break you.
Don't let this break us.
They have a format that works for them. Give me a second, you boy. Got a cough again.
Don't act like you've never been to the new show before.
Yeah.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
I'm going to explain how YouTube helped to save my life.
Nigga, you serious?